4. Consider the following. There is a large variation in landforms, soil types and vegetation in the country. Helped it to take advantage of the Indian Ocean, the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal for sea travel. The southern part of India receives more sunlight than northern part, which leads to a diversity of flora and fauna. How many of the above given is or are the advantages India have because of its latitudinal extension? So because of its latitudinal extension, which of the above are the advantages of India? Okay. First of all, there is large variation in landform, soil type and vegetation. Yes, as we move up in the latitude, we have different types of climatic conditions. So there will be a variation in landforms, variation in soil, variation in vegetation. Helped it to take advantage of the Indian Ocean. Yes, like we know that we are a peninsular country which is narrowing towards the south. So this north-south extent of India helped India to access more of the coastline. Yes, the southern part of India receives more sunlight than northern part, which leads to diversity of flora and fauna. Is it true? Yes, so all the statements are right. All three are general statements. Like even though if you are not having a general, like clear-cut idea, these general statements you can consider to be right. The state with third largest coastline: Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Okay, which of the options you can eliminate? You can eliminate Gujarat because Gujarat is a state having longest coastline. The question is regarding third longest. What about Kerala? Kerala is having only less than 600 kilometers of coastline. So Kerala cannot be third. First comes Gujarat, second comes Tamil Nadu, third comes Andhra Pradesh. Answer is B. Question number 6. Consider the following with reference to the Himachal and Uttarakhand Himalayas subdivision. All the three ranges of Himalayas are prominent in this section. The question is regarding Himachal, Uttarakhand Himalayas. All the three ranges of Himalayas are prominent in this section. All the three here means Greater, Lesser and Shivaliks. In the section of Lesser Himalayas, some of the important hill stations such as Dharamshala, Mussoorie and Shimla were developed during British administration. The region is drained by the river Indus and its tributaries such as Jhelum and Chenab. So the question is regarding the Uttarakhand region of the Himalayas. All the three ranges of Himalayas are prominent in this region. True or false? Yes, it's true. We have all the three. The important hill station Dharamshala, Mussoorie, Shimla were developed during British administration. True or false? Yes, true. It's also a general statement. Look at the third statement. The region is drained by river Indus and its tributaries such as Jhelum and Chenab. It is drained by Indus river. It is also drained by Ganga river. But it's not Jhelum and Chenab. If you have seen the map of the Indus river, you can see Jhelum and Chenab is majorly flowing through the Kashmir regions, towards the northern part. So, in this region, through this region, the river majorly flowing into Ravi, Beas, Satluj and some tributaries of Ganga. So, Jhelum and Chenab is not flowing through this region. So, 1 and 2 is right, 3 is wrong. Answer is only 2B. 7. Consider the following with reference to Peninsular Plateau. This is one of the oldest and most stable landmasses of India. Central Highlands, which cover most of the Malabar Plateau, is a part of Peninsular Plateau. Peninsular Plateau is located between Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats and is bounded by Satpura, Vindhya and ranges to the north. Statement 1, right or wrong? Yes, Peninsular Plateau is one of the oldest and the most stable landmass in India. Central Highlands, which cover most of Malwa Plateau, is a part of Peninsular Plateau. True or false? True. Malwa Plateau, Bundelkhand Plateau, Deccan Plateau, Chota Nagpur, everything is part of Peninsular Plateau. Peninsular Plateau is located between Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats and is bounded by Satpura and Vindhya ranges on the north. True or false? Okay. This location that is between Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats bounded by Vindhya, Satpura ranges on the north, it basically corresponds to Deccan Plateau, which is only a part of Peninsular Plateau. So the Peninsular Plateau is not located there. Deccan Plateau, which is a part of Peninsular Plateau, is located in given region. So the third statement is wrong. 1 and 2 is right. Answer is only 2. Which of the following region is a land of undulating topography dotted with longitudinal dunes and burchens in India? Longitudinal dunes, burchens, where we can see all these are arid or aeolian depositional landforms or wind depositional landforms. Where we can see the wind depositional landforms in India? Desert region. Easy question, short question. 9. Consider the following. Eastern coastal plain is broader and suitable for the development of ports and harbors. The continental shelf in eastern coastal region extends up to 500 kilometers into sea. Eastern coastal plain is broader and suitable for development of ports and harbors. True or false? Yes, when we consider the eastern and western coastal plain of India, the western coastal plain we call to be submergent coast, isn't it? Eastern coastal plain, emergent coast. If you look at the western coastal plain, it's almost like this. Eastern coastal plain is like due to the continuous deposition of rivers, it is emerging. So more natural ports or more ports are possible on the western coast. In eastern coast, less ports. We have natural ports like Machilipatnam, Visakhapatnam, but we have more ports or possibility in the western coast. So first statement is wrong. The continental shelf of eastern coastal plain extends up to 500 kilometers into sea. That is true because eastern coastal plain is emergent. So continental shelf is the low depth region in the sea. So as the land is emerging means there will be more continental shelf. So second statement right, first statement wrong. Answer should be D.